Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. This is a how-to guide to learn cleaning and maintenance of gardening tools, from hand tools to the big lads of the garden. Good tools make gardening easier and a real pleasure. When they're clean and sharp, they work exactly as they should. Today, we're looking after your garden's best friends, your tools. From your trusty hand trowel to your bigger machines. A simple how-to guide to keep them in brilliant shape for years. Clean, sharp tools are safer, stop disease spread and save you money. They make digging and pruning feel joyful, not a chore. We'll cover cleaning, sharpening, oiling and proper storage. Let's crack on. Before we get our hands dirty, let's gather a few simple supplies. Nothing fancy or expensive. Most of this lives in your shed or under the sink. Pop them in a small box or bucket so it's all to hand. You'll want a good stiff brush. Wire for stubborn muck, plastic works too. A few old rags for wiping and drying. A bucket with warm water and a dash of washing up liquid. For rust, white vinegar, or even a lemon, is brilliant. Keep sandpaper and a metal file handy. A whetstone or diamond file gives blades a keen edge. Finish with oil, machine or motor oil, or cooking oil in a pinch, plus gloves, screwdriver, and an adjustable wrench. The best habit? A quick clean after every session. 5 minutes now saves you loads later. Stop dirt hardening on metal and keep rust at bay. First, knock off loose soil from spades, forks and trowels. Then, brush into all the nooks and crannies. Most days, dry brushing is enough. In wet clay, go for a proper wash. Dunk the metal parts and give them a good scrub. Open shears and clean between the blades with care. Rinse with fresh water. Dry them completely. Never put tools away wet. Wipe a thin coat of oil over blades, tines and joints. It keeps pivots smooth and rust out. Think of it as tucking your tools in for the night. About once a month, or each season, give your tools a proper MOT. Start with a thorough clean, paying attention to moving parts. Use a small screwdriver or old knife to scrape joints and springs. Next, sharpen your blades. A sharp tool is a safe tool. Find the original bevel, match the angle and stroke away from your body. Smooth, even strokes. You'll feel it getting keener. For spades and hoes, a standard metal file restores the edge. Check handles for splits. Sand and finish with linseed oil. Tighten anything loose, no wobbly handles or loose blades. Filing exposes fresh metal, protect it with a light oil coat. It might take half an hour, but your tools stay in peak condition and a pleasure to use. Even with care, rust happens. Don't panic at light orange specks. Sand, steel wool, or wire brush the area with a firm scrub. Wipe, then oil to keep the rust from returning. For heavier rust, soak the metal in neat white vinegar. A few hours for moderate rust, overnight if it's really crusty. After soaking, scrub. It's oddly satisfying. Rinse thoroughly, dry completely, finish with oil. Sap can glue up pruners and shears after pruning trees and shrubs. Use white spirit or terps on a rag, or go gentler with oil. Oil breaks down the gunk, scrub firmly with a cloth. For stubborn sap, a dab of penetrating oil works wonders. Then sharpen lightly and protect with a final oil wipe. Storage matters as much as cleaning. Keep tools somewhere dry. Don't leave them out overnight. Rain and dew invite rust and rot. Hang tools, racks, hooks and clips keep edges safe and organized. Air circulation helps keep moisture away. Safety first. Wear sturdy gloves and sharpen away from your body. Never test with a finger. Use scrap wood or a twig. Keep tools locked away and fit blade covers on sharp kit. Dull tools can be more dangerous than sharp ones. If it feels unsafe, stop and sort it before carrying on. Once a year, do a deep service, perfect before winter. Sand rough spots and feed the wood with boiled linseed oil. For bigger machines, follow the manual, stabilize or run fuel dry and service blades and filters. Replace badly cracked handles or bent, cracked metal. Don't risk it. Tells us what you think in the comments and like and subscribe.